What on earth was I thinking?
Hiking 12 kilometers, 10 kilometers, and then 21 kilometers. 진짜 미쳤어? Hike number 1 put out Ubin 12 kilometers. Took a boat to the island and then deliberately walked past the bike rentals and began on my way. Everything was going well until I came onto this path, which led to a dead end. Great, now I had to turn all the way back. Now, back on track, and everything was going fine again until I met these two little monsters. I don't want to get rabies, by the way. Lucky another tourist walked past and helped me ease past the monkeys. Eventually reached here, and my goodness, just look at the view. And hey, look, that's a plane. Anyway, time to say goodbye to this breeze and view and walk all the way back. Hike number 2, McRitchie Reservoir, 10 kilometers, same day by the way. It starts off with this dirt track and then it changes to a paved concrete slope that goes up a really steep incline, and there's also some boardwalk before reaching the highlight, which is the suspension bridge in the middle of forest with 360-degree spectacular views of the canopy. Even worse, now in the middle of the forest and have to walk all the way back. Why not torture myself more and climb up this tower for the views, huh? Was it worth it? I don't really know, because by this point my legs were already beyond dead and I'm reaching the victory lap, I believe. And there's some nice views and a golf course, which probably indicates that civilization is getting closer. Wait, is that the exit onto the road? Somehow made it back in civilization with both my feet blistered at multiple points. Hike number 3, Rail Corridor, 21 kilometers, which I did the day right after those 2 hikes, by the way. Feet covered in blisters, no problem. Just slap on some paint patches on the feet. Felt like mints, by the way, and I'm off. So the trail starts off next to the highway, but after some time you see some of these nice natural landscapes. So bearing in mind it's not actually too far because you see these mansions. Approaching the next stop of the former Bukit Timah railway station, you can start to see remnants of the train station infrastructure built during the colonial era. This place itself is actually quite popular with tourists and also not far from civilization, as you can see from all the cars below. But after this, the path gets even more rugged, and as you can see, even some of our little friends show up. So while enjoying nature, eventually I end up at this spot which I had no idea even could exist in Singapore. Wow, just look at how amazing these views are. It's a quarry, by the way. But by this point, after having reached a point like this, I think my feet were already giving out. So you see those buildings over there? I had to give up over there. Okay, so after 3 extreme hikes in 2 days and absolutely killing my feet, I think there's absolutely something that I learned here. Is that if you really want something and put your mind to it, your mind will force your body to do it and you will end up doing it. But would I do it again? Absolutely not.